I'm Sam Warbuton and I'm here tonight at the ICC in Newport. So tonight is the Coleg Gwent Learner Awards. About 100 pupils have been recognised for their amazing achievements, and it's going to be a very special evening for them. I cannot wait to show you what we get up to.
So we're at the ICC in Newport for the Student Awards, and it's all about celebrating all the students' achievements over the past years. So the past year in college for me has been absolutely amazing. I've had so many good world skills in Skills Wales, and it's just been a great year overall.
It's a particularly important evening for me tonight, as I will be retiring in September. So this is the last time I get to have the great pleasure and privilege of celebrating success at our Learner Awards evening. We quite deliberately bring them to such an amazing location as this to make them understand how special it is and how important it is for us to celebrate their successes. And we give them a really good send-off and we celebrate everything that they've achieved.